So here is Domino's Pizza USA app where you can order, track, and earn rewards. So just open up this app. It's one of the top, pizza apps in the US. Of course, you can just enable notifications, and then you can just get this tracker notifications for every step of your order and great deals sent right to your phone. So yeah, of course, if you're using Domino's app, you can enable them. Here, I'll just show it up to you. And then it's this app with a recent update includes Domino's pinpoint delivery, a new technology allowing you to receive your Domino's favorites from nearly anywhere just by dropping a pin on the map and placing your order. So yeah, like if you just want to be delivered not to your home but anywhere you're located, probably you're traveling somewhere, maybe you're on the park on a picnic, you can just deliver that anywhere. And then yeah, you can just select delivery, can give access to your location, you can create an account here, carry out, can just allow access, because yeah, this is Domino's USA app, meaning it's only available in US. If you in Europe or something, I think you need another type of app here. Then the cool thing about the app is that in the app often you can get some specific deals only available there. So you can get some coupons, you can get some tracker, you can get some pizza profile, you can create a new profile, dinner bell, like I don't what's that. Then there are some earn points towards free pizza with piece of pie rewards. So then you can just join now, and this is just like one order 10 points. Once you have 60 points, you can redeem them for a free medium 2-topping pizza. So yeah, only one order per calendar day can earn points. So basically you have 6 orders, and after 6 orders you get a free pizza. Pretty cool deal. And I don't know if these deals are available like if you just go to the store, but yeah, in the app, that's why you need to use the app if you like the brand. Then you just get some free pizza, and that's like you can get some free deals just in the app. And then they just have this pizza point delivery. Just tap below to drop a pizza pin near you, place your order, meet your driver at the pickup spot, and then yeah, you can just drop pizza pin wherever you are, in which locations you are, and then you just meet your driver instantly. So it's pretty convenient. So yeah, this app is also available in Spanish. There is like customer support. You can enable notifications for special deals and offers, and that's basically the idea. So hope you will like this app.